Hello everyone, I'm Ale and welcome to Solo Orto Vivo. Maintain the worm composter is very easy, but there are some rules to follow. Worm composting bin maintenance. We already saw how to make one and we got the red wigglers. I must learn how to maintain them. First thing is to choose the right animals to grow. There are 3000 species of worms and each of them are unique. What I chose is obviously Xenia fetida. They are very voracious and in optimal condition can eat half of their body weight every day. There are 3 params. My point of view is to respect these 3 params to have an healthy colony. Respecting them is quite easy, so don't fear. Temperature. The best possible temperature goes from 15 to 24 Celsius degrees. They can survive between 0 and 30. Obviously, when the temperature differs from the best one, they become lethargic and reproduce less. Humidity. The best humidity is around 80% and never goes below 60%. Because they couldn't breathe. They do it through the skin. Up to 90% of humidity they can drown. If we squeeze a litter box in the hand and drips a few water, the humidity is correct. Acidity. This is also fundamental. The pH value should be around 5 and 9. So don't feed them with citrus or vinegar. A good way to lower the pH is to add eggshells, 100% calcium carbonate, and this enrich the final compost. Food and water. When we love something, we tend to exaggerate, and this could lead to catastrophic results. As well as with the plants, it's easy to feed them too much. This could lead to big problems and to the end of the colony itself. They usually survive months without any cures. Keep in mind that sometimes less is better. If you don't keep them under direct sun, the temperature should be constant as long as the humidity. Without foods, they slower metabolic functions, reproducing less. They can auto-regulate depending to the environment. The same for a large colony, which will reproduce less. I'm not saying to forget completely their existence, but it's very easy to make them happy. What and how much they eat. We should use a green part and a brown part. Called so because usually they use cardboard for the brown part, carbonic part, vegetable for the nitrogen, the green part. They are almost vegan and without teeth they can't demolish too hard organic material. This is another reason because they love humid environment. Fruits and vegetables are okay, apart acids one or antibacterial. Don't use citrus, garlic, onion, ginger and peppers. If we give them sweet and juicy foods, they're going mad, like watermelon, banana, kaki, avocado and so on. But don't go crazy and don't make a custom menu. Give them everything apart what I said before. And obviously no meat and iris, the brown part. Never be short of paper and cardboard, possibly in little pieces with a scissors on a shredder. This should regulate the humidity, absorbing the water, releasing it when it's needed, helping to regulate the acidity and the breathable of the litter box. They love the cardboard. I often see lots of warm puppies stuck together with the cardboard, trying to eat and dissolve it. I don't know if, like me, you are full of cardboard and the possibility to recycle this waste. It's fantastic. I personally avoid colored and glossy paper and get rid of labels. While I throw away everything could be harmful, and the rest to the worms. Eggshells. Something that can be very helpful is to add grinded eggshells in the litter box. Helps to regulate the pH, enriching the humus of calcium. Someone says that helps worms to digest, like the pebbles with the birds. Of course, you can use mussels shells and oysters shells, but they should be fine grinded or they will never decompose. Final considerations. As we saw, the rules are few and simple. It's important to correctly set up the vermicompost from the beginning. Repeating one more time, doing less is way better to exaggerate, and our little friends will thank. But in the meantime, if you like this video, please leave a thumb up, subscribe to the channel and activate the bell so you won't miss any content like this and help the channel to grow. Thanks! Furthermore, on the website solocosenove.it you can find everything about Solo Cosenove World. Thank you for following me also for today and see you in the next exciting video. Ciao!